number 266, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Pennsylvania: Lackawanna, Luzerne, and Susquehanna. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Here is the...
Well, I kind of figured this was going to happen sooner or later. Hello!